Greetings, VAC fans, especially Joe Wheeler and his DC25 that cleaned so much carpet. Joe, I think you had a request to go and put some carpet down underneath the board, and I don't know how this is going to look. I think you can see the flower okay, so I'm going to take a DC25 and do an edge cleaning. And the neat thing is because it's bagless, I can see if it actually has picked much up, even if I can't necessarily see how much it picks up. Ooh, that looks very good. That's really wonderful. All right, let's see what's in the bin. Yeah, looks like there's plenty in there. Get that out. Okay. Well, obviously, I don't think that's the same amount as what I put down here. But remember, there's going to be a bunch of stuff stuck in here and probably, somewhere in the tubes and so on and so forth. But looks clean. Not bad. You know what? How about we move the board? Kind of hard to do that in a room. You move the wall. Let's see what it really left. That's pretty good. A little bit here, a little bit there, tiny bit here and here. Otherwise, did a nice job. So let's hear it for a DC25 and edge clean. Gee, it's almost like Joe knows what he's doing. Okay. See you guys later. Until next time, happy edge cleaning. Bye-bye.